Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys an upper body workout. So this upper body workout is going to be targeting pretty much the whole upper body. So your biceps, your triceps, your back, your shoulders, your chest, everything. So it's kind of like everything mixed in one. So if you're the type of person that likes to go to the gym and work on a lot of different muscle groups and not just focus on your back one day and then your chest one day, this workout is for you. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so we're gonna start with rear delt flies. So to be able to activate the rear delt, it's all gonna be in the hand movement and the hand placement. So as you can see, my fists are facing forward, and that's going to activate the rear delt. The next exercise, these are called, I call these shoulder circles. I don't know what else to call them, but pretty much you're just gonna get some lighter weight. So maybe I'm using 10 pounds here. And you just want to create a full circle with your shoulders, and this is really going to activate the entire delt, the front delt, side delt, all the delts. So this is just a side view of those rear delt flies. So as you can see, look at my hand placement. You have to be cautious of your hand placement because different hand placements is going to activate a different part of the shoulder. This exercise is just a shoulder press. So I like to do these seated. When I stand up, I feel like, the rest of my body tries to compensate to lift the weight. So when you're seated, it's more so of an isolation exercise. So pretty much you're just going to raise the weights over your head, keeping your shoulders at a 90-degree angle. These are tricep extensions. So pay attention to my hand placement on the dumbbell. Okay, a lot of people tend to grab the dumbbell, try to wrap their hands around the iron part of the dumbbell, when really you want to place the dumbbell in between your thumb and the rest of your fingers and raise it that way. I feel like I get more mobility that way and can really extend more. This exercise is called skull crusher. So for this exercise, you're going to be activating the rear delts and you're going to be activating the back as well. So as you can see, I'm using a cable machine with the rope extension, and you're going to pretty much pull the rope to your forehead, and as you do that, you're going to activate the delts and your back muscles. So pay attention to my stance here. I have a split stance. I'm leaning back straight, chest up, keeping my shoulders up, pulling it right to my forehead, and see how my delts are getting activated. So this exercise is a bent over row on the cable machine. So pay attention to my stance. I stood straight up and then I hinged forward slightly, putting my body at about a 45-degree angle. And I'm pulling the attachment to my belly button, keeping my elbows really close to my body. And you want to make sure that you're squeezing your back on the way, on the contraction. You want to make sure that you're getting a really good back contraction. So this exercise is a chest press on the cable machine. So as you can see, look at my stance. I have one foot forward, balancing on that one foot. The back foot is just kind of stabilizing me, keeping the elbows at about 90-degree angle. You're gonna push forward, squeezing those chest muscles at the contraction. So this exercise is called Lateral Raises with a slight bend in your elbow. So this exercise is also going to target your shoulders. And just to let y'all know, if y'all not making ugly faces while you're working out, are you really working out? Like, I see some of these Instagram models trying to look pretty, trying to squat 150 pounds. I'm like, how? So this exercise is just a classic dumbbell curl. So pretty much you're just going to raise the dumbbell to a curl, activating the bicep muscles. And this is just another view of the lateral raises with the dumbbells. As you can see, my elbows are slightly bent.
So I hope you enjoyed that upper body workout. I know I did. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Also like the video and give me a comment down below if you like this workout or if you want to see some ideas of some other workouts. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.